Is your inbox currently sitting at a number so high you've actually stopped looking at it? That little red notification bubble doesn't have to be a source of daily stress. Today we are going to reclaim your digital workspace. Our mission is simple. We're reaching inbox zero in the next 5 minutes using 3 simple filters that do the heavy lifting for you. You don't need to be a tech wizard to do this. You just need a few minutes and a plan. To get started, all you need is your computer or a mobile device with the Gmail app installed. While these steps work on a phone, I recommend using a laptop or desktop if you have one available, as the search operators and filter settings are a little easier to navigate on a larger screen. Once you're logged in and staring at that mountain of messages, we're ready to begin. Step 1 is the mass archive. The biggest mistake people make is trying to delete thousands of emails one by one. It's exhausting and unnecessary. Instead, go to the search bar at the top of your Gmail and type in label unread. This instantly isolates every single message you haven't opened, which is usually where the clutter lives. Select all these messages by clicking the checkbox at the top. If you have thousands, look for the link that says select all conversations that match this search. Now, instead of hitting delete, hit the archive button. This clears them from your view immediately, but they stay in your all mail folder just in case you ever need to search for an old receipt or a specific document later. Your main screen should already look significantly emptier. Now for step 2, unsubscribe magic. Most of our clutter comes from newsletters we signed up for years ago and never read. Instead of just archiving them, let's stop them at the source. Gmail has a built-in unsubscribe link right next to the sender's name at the top of many promotional emails. Click it. To take it further, we're going to create a promotions filter. Find a promotional email, click the 3 dots in the top right, and select filter messages like these. You can set a rule so that anything containing the word unsubscribe automatically skips the inbox and goes straight to your promotions tab. This keeps your primary view reserved for real people and important updates. Step 3 is setting up your priority inbox. By default, Gmail shows things chronologically, which isn't always helpful. Go to your settings gear icon and look for Inbox Type. Select Priority Inbox. This automatically splits your screen into sections. Important and unread at the top, starred items next, and everything else at the bottom. This simple change ensures that when you open your mail, your eyes go directly to the things that actually require your attention, rather than a random discount code from a clothing store. The final result of these 3 steps is a clean, organized workspace that makes you more productive rather than more overwhelmed. When you open your email now, you should see only a handful of relevant items instead of a wall of white noise. It's like cleaning off a cluttered desk. Suddenly, you have the mental space to actually get work done. Here's a bonus shortcut to keep things moving fast. If you accidentally archive an email you meant to keep, just press the Z key on your keyboard. This is the universal undo button for Gmail, and it works instantly to bring that message back to your inbox. The key takeaway for today is that a clean inbox equals a clear mind. You don't have to live with digital clutter. By using search labels, aggressive unsubscribing, and priority views, you can keep your digital life under control. In our next episode, we're going to help you save even more time by showing you how to turn your voice into text using AI transcription, so you can stop typing and start talking. See you then.